silent E in English. Easy rules and real examples. A silent E is the letter E at the end of a word that is written but not pronounced when the word is spoken aloud. Instead of making a sound itself, the silent E usually changes how another letter in the word is pronounced. So, why does English use a silent E? English did not add silent letters just to be awkward. The silent E often exists to signal pronunciation, distinguish between similar words, or reflect older spelling patterns from the past. Let's see the rules. The magic E rule explains what happens when a word ends with a silent E. In many English words, a final silent E changes the vowel before it from a short sound to a long sound. Without the silent E, the vowel is usually short. When the silent E is added, the vowel says its name. For example, bit becomes bite, cap becomes cape, hop becomes hope, and rat becomes rate. When a word ends in consonant plus LE, the E is silent but necessary for the spelling. The consonant before LE is pronounced clearly. For example, apple, bottle, little, and table. In English, words almost never end with the letters V or U. To avoid this, a silent E is usually added at the end of the word. In these cases, the silent E does not change the vowel sound in the same way as the magic E rule. Its job is simply to stop the word from ending in V or U. Examples include blue, give, love, and true. The silent E is sometimes added to change the meaning or the word type of a word. Without it, different words could look identical or be easily confused. In many cases, adding a silent E also changes the vowel sound, turning a short vowel into a long one. For example, a cub is a young animal. A cube is a solid shape. Sit is to be seated. Site is a place or location. A silent E is often used to keep the letters C and G soft. Even though the E itself is not pronounced, it changes how the consonant before it sounds. In English, C can be pronounced as K or S, and G can be pronounced as G or J. When a silent E follows C or G, it usually signals the soft sound. C is soft and sounds like S in advice, chance, and notice. G is soft and sounds like J in change, charge, and large. Many English words keep a final silent E because of older spelling patterns, particularly from Middle English. Over time, pronunciation changed, but the spelling often stayed the same. As a result, the E is no longer pronounced, even though it still appears in modern English words. As in, come, done, have, name, and time. Some very common English function words contain a silent E that no longer has a clear pronunciation role in modern English. These words are used mainly for grammar, not meaning on their own, and they appear so often that their spellings have remained fixed over time. These words include come, one, the, there, and were. The silent E is usually dropped when a suffix starting with a vowel is added to a word. This happens because English spelling generally avoids two vowels clashing next to each other, and dropping the E keeps the word easier to read and write. Drive becomes driving, fame becomes famous, make becomes making, and write becomes writing. The silent E may not make a sound, but it plays a big role in how English words are pronounced and understood. Once you start spotting it, reading becomes easier, pronunciation becomes clearer, and spelling begins to make more sense. A quiet letter, but a powerful one. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more pronunciation tips.